Hello and welcome to Creative Atia. I'm Chris and I'm excited to have you here. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the process of permanently deleting your Telegram account instantly. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to take a break from social media, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your Telegram app, then click on the three horizontal lines up there. Scroll down and click on Settings. Click on Telegram FAQ. When it opens, scroll down to where you see your account, then click on Delete your Telegram account. Then scroll down and click on Deactivation page. On the deactivation page, input your Telegram account number, then click on Next. A code will be sent to you on Telegram. Click on the drop down arrow up there. Go copy the code Telegram sent. Then click back down here, input the code and click on Sign In. On the next page, click on Delete Account, then input your number again and click on Delete My Account. Boom, your account is permanently deleted from Telegram database. Thanks for watching, fam. If you enjoyed the vibe, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Join the creative family, more amazing content coming your way. Stay blessed, stay creative. Chris out.